Hi guys, thanks for joining me. This is part 5 and the last part of my series on making summer clothes. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make a V-neck tee, a crew neck tee with sleeves and without sleeves. So we're just going to do step-by-step instructions. I'm not going to show in video. I'm going to do pictures instead because frankly the kids are home and the house is not quiet enough for me to do videos. So thank you for joining me. I hope you are inspired and you learned something, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.